Today we'll talk about how can you archive chat history on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on your name. Down here you just click on it. So when you click on your name, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on data controls, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on archive chat history, you just click on it. So then you click here on archive chat history here. Then here automatically it's going to archive with you on your ChatGPT app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.